On this website, only in 3 days you can earn 690 points. In 5 days you can earn 1300 points. And in 15 days you can earn 60,000 points. 100 points is something about $1. So 60,000 points, it's like $600. Only in 15 days. As you can see, guys, I already used this website and every day I earn $4. But of course you can invest much more money. For example, 500, and only in 50 days you can earn $600. But at first, of course, I recommend you invest only $100 just to understand that this website is working. Also, you can get points for free. Just click on this daily check-in, and every day you just click on this bottom and get 5 points. If you log in for 180 days, together you will get something about 20,000 points. 20,000 points, it's like $200. Just for free. And of course you can invest these free points and get much more money. Okay guys, as you can see, I already invested a lot of money and now I won't invest more money. But for example, I don't have 1000 points. So that's why I just click on recharge, choose USDT TRC20 and write here how much points I want. Now I need 600 points, so I will pay $7. Okay, then you need to click next tip, and after that you need to send $7 on this address. So just copy address and then you need to log in on your crypto platform. After that you need to choose your USDT and click here withdraw. Then you need to pass here address, what we copied here, and after that you need to choose network. It will be Tron TRC20. Okay guys, as you can see, minimal amount $10, so that's why I changed my order. Then we need to copy this value and pass here. Of course network fee will be cost $1. That's why instead 9 we need to write here $10. So receive amount will be $9.0055. Must be exactly like here. After that we click withdraw and continue. Okay guys, withdrawal request submitted. So click complete. If you don't know how to use cryptocurrency, I recommend you to watch this short video. Okay, after that we need to come back on our site and click here submit. And now as you can see, I have 1300 points. We can also click my wallet and see that I paid USDT and received 815 points. Okay, after that just click on home and now I want to pay 1000 points and after 5 days I will receive 1300 points. So click yes, after click yes and confirm. Okay guys, as you can see, I ran this one and now I have on my balance $90 and every day I will increase my earnings. Okay guys, and I forget to tell you that under this video you can click on this link. Here you need to write your phone number. I recommend you just write 10 numbers. For example, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then you need to write your password and you can click sign up. As you can see, I easily register, and how to make money you already know. Also watch this video, thank you, and please subscribe on my channel.